Hi, I'm Paula Doyle, and now I'm going to show you how to quilt a quilt where you've pre-marked the designs on the quilt surface. The ones that I'm going to show you are the cathedral windows quilting. I'm also going to show you how I quilted a pre-marked stencil, and also this one here, which I call tile quilting. And so here we go. I've done this one, and now I'm going to come up here and do this one like this, and you just continue until you fill the whole thing. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start stitching on that. If you don't follow it exactly, it's not a big deal because it's all going to come out and nobody will be the wiser as long as you didn't panic and make a big boo-boo out of it. Nobody will be able to any the wiser.